Anais is awake in a big girl cot. Aren't you, baby? Yeah. Yeah, my baby. You're happy, aren't you, in there? Look, this is it. My little girl. Just change the nappy. Yeah. Oh, the hat's a little bit too big, isn't it, baby? A little bit too big for you. Yep, gorgeous. Hey, sweetie. That's a nice, his favorite little frown. Yeah, my girl. I think one of your little leaves has come loose. Yeah. Look, let's have a look. Let's have a look. What have you got under here? Look, it's all come off. It's come off, my baby. Yeah. The mummy. Who's that? Who's that, my girl? Who's that, my girl? Yeah.